Oh my goodness. Ooh. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. He wanted that. This guy low. No. I saw him come up for that. He had a buddy with him down there. Some came up on the active target, same thing, crankbait, just finding grass, finding bait, just targeting bait all summer. Maybe. Yep. Might bow flip this guy. Nice. Bow flip. Ooh. Ooh. I think I bow flipped that. He's probably pissed at me. He is pissed. He is pissed at me. He needs a bath. I had that on the active target. That was pretty cool. I'll sync that up for you guys. That's like 4 bass now. I have 3 on film. I found this spot. So it looks good. There's a lot of grass and a lot of bait down here. And so I caught one I didn't have on film, but that's 3 fish in probably a half hour, 40 minutes. They're not 8-pound bass, but they're strong and they're fun. So yeah, I think I've been using this all summer and it's a little boring, you know, but every time I try to change up, the problem is this, the reason I can't leave this lure is because I need it to be at 12 feet. That's where all the grass is and all the lakes I fish is 12 feet. And that's where all the bait is. And the crankbaits are the only thing that can stay there. As soon as, the longer the cast, the sooner it'll get to 12 feet. And it stays there right till it gets to your boat. And that's what I want. And so I just stay on this. I had one. I don't know if he's still on. Yeah, he's on. This guy's strong, bro. Whew. Not that big, pretty strong though. It's fun, like 12, 14 feet in the grass. These offshore bass, bro, they're like perfect, bro. No puncture marks anywhere. You can see all their snouts. They have 6 snout holes. All of them. Bye, babe. Little guy. That was fun though. Right off the rip again. This guy's coming up. This spot here. Let's take him down. He's coming up. He's trying to take me for a ride. Low. He's hooked pretty good. That was this next cast, bro. Next cast. Another little guy. Strong though. Actually a foul hook. I hooked him on the outside of the nose. It's the only puncture mark he has. It's a nice little spot right here. Probably not too many people fishing it, so they're pretty aggressive on that crankbait. Actually took me, I've been in the spot a couple times. I've never seen this. There's a bunch of grass right here on this shore. And there's some bait down there. So I figured I'd give it a chance. It's 2 in a row, 2 casts in a row. Bye, babe. This guy's fouled. It's not that big, but it was strong. Didn't see any other hook marks. Partially fouled him, but there was one in his mouth. Spro, Little John DD70, gets down from, it's on 10-pound fluoros. Strike King Contra gets down to 12 to 15 feet. Just looking for grass and then seeing if there's bait in the grass and just throwing at bait. That's all I've done all summer. It just works so well. I do feel like that they start to remember these lures. This is the second one I've caught now on this spot, and I haven't been to this spot really ever, and it doesn't take long to catch them. But what I found is that slows down after a while. they get used to the lure, I think. Anyways, let's keep going. Wow, last second there. Let's head down. This is a little guy, but he's little buddy. Got a bound. Soaking wet. Bye.